Hey everybody! Today we've got a new topic I'm really excited to share with you. I've got these slides prepared and we are going to learn about the descending tetrachord today, which is quite common in a lot of tonal music. And you might be asking me, hey Victoria, what is the descending tetrachord? Well, I'm not going to tell you right away. I want to use the mystery novel approach and play you a series of examples, and I want you to tell me, after we've listened, what all these examples have in common. Here we go. This is example number 1. Example number 2. Example 3. Example 4. Example 5.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road.
Example 6.
If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I...
Example 7.
It took so long just to feel alright. Remember how to put back the light in my eyes. I wish I had missed the first time that we kissed, 'cause you broke all your promises, and now you're back. You don't get to get me back.
Example 8. Example 9, we return to Beethoven. This is our last example. So, finally, did you figure it out? What do all these have in common? They all feature a descending stepwise line, in most but not all cases going from do down to so. And most but not all of the ones I've chosen put that descending line in the bass. Therefore, when we get this downward stepwise span of a fourth that occurs in the bass, we call it the descending tetrachord bass line. Descending because it goes down, tetrachord because it spans a fourth, and that's just a fancy word for a fourth, and then bass line because it usually happens in the bass. They can be diatonic, do, te, la, sol, like it happened in the Purcell's Dido's Lament, as well as in the Ray Charles example. Or they can be chromatic, do, ti, te, la, le, so, like it happened in both of the Beethoven examples. And it often signifies sadness. You'll notice, especially in Renaissance and Baroque music, it will often happen in an actual lament, and the do, te, la, so bass line is even called the lament bass. So those are my slides and the basic introduction with a few examples that use the descending tetrachord. In our next modules, our next videos, we're going to talk a little bit about how we harmonize the descending tetrachord bass line, and then also look at how Beethoven harmonizes it in the Waldstein.